Hey y'all, happy Sunday to you. Today is day 21 of Vlogmas. Yeah, there's a sweet potato. Hope y'all are enjoying your Sunday morning so far. I know most people are not home, they're at church, they're probably even at work. You know, people do different jobs and stuff. Yeah. So this day a sweet potato as I say. Irish. Now you cook it. Irish must in there. It's trying to ask for the Irish, I'm not laugh.
Saltfish national dish.
I have to share up my own. Put it in my own in a plastic dish, guys. I don't feel like I want to go shark plates, so I'm gonna go plastic. You want more about tea? All for time. Never sing. Alright, I think this is enough, Aki. Come, Mr. Tomato, this tomato price drop. Eh? Let me straight. Tomato price drop. Tomato price. Like tomato price drop, guys. Cool tomato for $300. So 154 in tomato. Guys, the honey is finished, so I'm using sugar. Water, bubble up. So one ginger mint and one guinea hen. I said him. No, I like two fried dumpling. I do well in this. So guys, we're back in the kitchen and dinner preparation is happening now with Miss Chin. Yeah, I know that Miss Chin around the Sunday pot. Yeah. Alright, so she put in the oil, so I'm gonna leave it and make it go and add kind of oil. Yeah, forget one next to oil. That's a good done. By our Monday, Tuesday. Alright, so I'll leave this, make it go and add. Alright, chicken season up right. On the floor for the chicken. Y'all see this lizard? He's so big. Hey, if there's a chop out for me, I'm getting a spirit, you know. Big ass lizards. On the ackee tree. I'm just putting thyme and garlic in the pot. So you don't know the chicken around deep fry. Woo! Hot style. Alright, so physical, get ready. Okay. Woo!
A vegetarian, but it nonetheless still possessed a nasty bite. At the back molars, its jaw reached a stunning 11,000 newtons in force. That gave it more than enough power to technically break a human's femur. In addition to elephant-sized wombats, birds too were supersized in prehistoric Australia. At the time, nothing was more terrifying than the Genyornis. This ancient bird resembled the once widespread terror birds found elsewhere, but it actually belonged to a separate family of flightless birds known as the Dromornithidae, or thunderbirds. All members of this family, Genyornis included, are believed to have been herbivores, despite their incredibly menacing appearances. Like many ancient Australian creatures, they did have size to help balance out their defenses. Genyornis, with the average individual coming in at 2 meters, or 6.5 feet. Moreover, this bird had giant, robust bones that gave it immense durability and heftiness, resulting in it weighing a full quarter of a ton. If its sheer size wasn't enough of a deterrent, the Genyornis could always use its powerful beak or sharp claws to ward off.
Alright, sauce time. We're checking on the sauce. So the sauce is ready. Yeah. Looking good. Fried chicken ready. Looking good. Rice and peas ready. Looking good too. We still have leftover breakfast, yes sir. And some sauce yam. I think I want a piece of Irish that over this so. So guys, let me go and look update on the cherry tree. And so from Melissa, the tree been looking like this. Look like it take time to come back. So maybe next year it have on cherry. As we can see. Yeah. The tree just looking scanty same way. Throw them there while I dry up. I know my taste one over there and them sour. Yeah, my taste a little red one like that so. Taste that one yeah. I ain't taste bad. Not much is even on it for pick. The tree look like it depressed. it go through a depression. So I'm say maybe next year it recover. Alright guys, so share some food. Real quick. Sunday rice and peas. Rice this amount of rice definitely do. Alright, so I know is a leg person or a bony part of the meat person. Put your leg in the upright position. Then you do the crash landing position. Oh, swallow there. One piece of leg and little bony part. Alright. I'm going to add the gravy on it. Little bit of gravy because I'm not really a gravy person. Yeah. Little bit of gravy. Just a little close up. Back it up like a pan a chata. all that goodness, guys. Delicioso.